Library Line, your connection to the Conneaut community. I'm Kathy Zappitello, Executive Director of the library and your host for Library Line. We got some carpet, la 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 la, 30 years old. We finally, that's the thing about our library here in our community, It was, and it still is, right? Our beautiful new building here in Conneaut, but we kind of forget that it was built in 1998. And all of our furniture and our equipment and of course our carpeting, it's getting worn. This is the most exciting thing that's happened in the library in a long time. And gosh, we needed this, positivity to focus on during COVID. So anyway, thank you to Anderson Flooring. We now have this beautiful, it smells new, it looks new. We're still tweaking it in a few areas and we've got some more projects to do, but we are so thrilled. If you need carpeting, Anderson Flooring is your go-to, guys. They are amazing. And, we can be difficult to work with. It's like, oh, we want this, and what about that? And, oh, hold on, we also have that. And they were like rolling with the punches, and they got it done lickety-split, too. So we're so excited. It's been a long time in the making, and it's little things, right? It's the feeling when you walk in to having that new crisp smell. It's just, it's like a bright new day, right? It's new, it's exciting, and I absolutely love it. But I also want to show you something else. The last couple of library lines, we've been bringing you along on our seed journey and our raised beds. And so I want to take you outside and I want to show you, we've had some successes and we've also had a few failures along the way. I'm going to show you, but come on with me. Let's go outside to our raised beds. Maybe you've come through Broad Street and you've seen right out here the library's raised beds. So Cindy and I have been working on these, more Cindy than I, but we've got lots of things planted. And our seeds that we started, there's only a handful in here. My seeds at home didn't do very well. Our seeds here, it was kind of hit and miss. But thankfully, we have our seed library here at the library. So we were able to just directly sow some of our vegetables here in the garden. And we also got help from not only our friends, but some other library patrons that had things to share too. So come take a look at this too for yourself. And if anybody has any tips, we'd love to hear them. We don't know what we're doing. We're just giving it a try. So this is actually our butterfly garden. We already have some things coming up. I'm so excited. This to me looks like grass. I'm going to pull that one out of there. But those are all beautiful seeds. Our tomato plants, they're looking really, really good. So we're going to have tomatoes. It looks like we're going to have quite a few tomatoes. We have more over there. This is like our pizza garden. So you know what? The day that we do this, we're going to bring you along with us. There's all the herbs, tomatoes, peppers for pizza. So, Cindy behind the camera, she's Pizza Prather. She'll definitely be doing that for Library Line. So we're super excited. All of our herbs. This is looking great. Angie Gash, I know she helped us with some of those herbs. Those are from her own garden. And then we've got some squash and some other things over here. So stop in and see us. You're going to hear all about what's going on this summer for our summer reading program. But remember, all of the summer reading, whether you're a kid or an adult, anybody in between, reading is fun. Reading is supposed to be fun. Read what you want. Read because you should. Read because you want to escape what's going on. Read to just learn about a different place or thing. And we have all the resources for you to really explore that this summer. That's what you're going to hear today on Library Line. From kids to adults, we've got summer reading for everyone. So stay tuned. We have a great show coming up.
Hi, I'm Zach, and I wanted to show you our brand new self-checkout machine that we just got set up. It's really easy to use if you want a low-contact option for checkouts. All you have to do is find a book, either on our shelves, or if you put one on hold, you can grab it from the hold shelf. If you have your card on you, you just scan it under here. It'll connect to your account. You'll take your book, find the barcode, it should be on the back, scan it right under the red light, and it will show your list of checkouts. Then you press done, and you'll see it'll ask you if you want a receipt or not. And if you want one, it'll print out right on the side here. And all your items will be checked out. You can use it to renew items. You can use it to check your account if you want to see what you've got checked out and renew anything. It's very easy. And that's all.
Hey, Allie. Hey, Amanda. Check it out, girl. Check out what? Check out Conneaut. What is that? You haven't heard? The library has a brand new incentive to get you out and moving in Conneaut and exploring the area. It's called Check Out Conneaut. So for example, if you're heading down to Township Beach and having a beach day, stop by the library first and check out this cool beach bag, which is actually a cooler. How cool is that?
That's awesome.
And you have awesome things in it, like a beach towel that doesn't get sand all over it, tethers down. There's beach games in here. There's all these things that are free for checkout and get you out in Conneaut. You can also check out some of the extra things too, like these awesome balls or a volleyball, because down at Township Beach they have both of those things. And can't forget these cool adventure packs. They're made to go out and explore Conneaut, get one with the nature, check out the Outdoor Learning Center, the Metro Parks, the Conneaut Creek, even your own backyard. Want to tell a little bit about these cool backpacks?
Yeah, so we have 4 backpacks. We have wildflowers and edible plants. We have bugs and slugs.
Ooh,
We have animals and animal tracks. And we have birding 101.
So also, along with the backpacks, there's some things like first aid kits, really cool. The Birding 101 already has binoculars, and most of them have the children's binoculars, but you could separately check out adult-sized binoculars. So basically, for you to be able to go out and explore Conneaut, it's limitless.
Absolutely.
Have you ever went magnet fishing?
I haven't.
Magnet fishing is awesome. So we have magnet fishing here at the library. And what you do is it attaches to a rope, and you have gloves, and it's attached to a magnet, and you go to any body of water, a pond, the creek, or anything like that, and you can actually hit the bottom of the water and be able to look for some treasures. Mostly nails, that's what I've found, but some treasures. You kayak, right?
Yeah.
So bring it out to your kayak. So if you're a kayaking family, stop by the library and check out magnet fishing, and you might like it and want to be able to purchase it for home. But if not, just try it first here at the library, or try it all the time. It's free. Why wouldn't you? It's free. So now that you know what's in Checkout Conneaut, how about, Allie, you say how to do it.
So when you come in the library, if you want to get the basketball, you'll grab the ball, and then you'll grab this slip from our stand. You'll bring it right to the checkout, and it's barcoded. We'll check it out on your account, and you get it for 3 days. Go around Conneaut, check it out, have some fun, and return it, and you can try something else.
And remember, always check our website, our Facebook page, and our Instagram for the latest news and what's happening here at the library. It's time for you to check out Conneaut.
Hi everyone, I'm Cindy, Assistant Director here at the Conneaut Public Library and Adult Programming Director. Yes, we wear many hats here at the library. So one of the things I want to talk about today is our summer reading program. It starts June 1st and goes to July 2nd. One of the things I have to start off with is the Tales and Tales Summer Reading Program logbook. And you can pick up one of these little pamphlets at the circ desk, or any one of the staff members will have them. You're going to read for 20 hours, and there's a couple of activities that you have to complete. When you complete this, you return it to the library for an entry into winning one of the grand prizes. So we'll have these here for you. One of the activities that I was planning on doing is a miniature art contest. And so you can pick up the kit. It's all ready to go. It's all in a nice little brown paper bag. You pick up the kit June 1st to the 11th, take it home, paint it. It's supplied with some of the paints inside, but you can use some of the paints that you have at home if there's a certain color that you need. You use the Tails and Tails theme for your art project. And you can see here I have, this is what it looks like. It's just a little 3x3. And these will go on display. And then the public will vote for the rest of June. And the little piece of artwork that wins with the most vote, I have a prize for them too. One of the classes that I'm going to do is called Yarn Wrap. And you're going to be able to make a, here's the llama and here's the elephant. So this class is on June 17th at 2 o'clock. Now I have to limit this to 10 people because of our CDC guidelines. And probably 10 in a class is enough anyways. You don't want to get too many more than that because I can't handle y'all. Anyway, so register online for this class. And this one will probably sell out. So you want to get on our calendar, on our website, our LibCal calendar, and register for this. One of the other activities I have going on is our sketchbook. And this is going to be for all of June. And what you'll do is you come to the circ desk, you check out this sketchbook, take it home, you can have it for 3 days, and it looks like somebody already did some sketching in it. Just for samples, you'll sketch. Anytime you sketch a page, let's say you sketch 3 different things, when you return it, you'll get a ticket for every page that you sketch, and then you'll be entered in a drawing for that. These will only circulate for 3 days because we want these to go circulate a lot so everybody has a chance to get a ticket to win a prize for that too. One of the super cool things we're going to do, and this has to be done Zoom. It's called a celebration of animation, and this is a presentation from a man called Marty Gitlin, and he is an author and a pop culture historian, and he's going to talk about the best and the worst cartoons and animation, and he'll play trivia games with the patrons, and it's very interactive. And at the end of a session, he has a book that he has published. You'll be able to buy his book online if you want. So this one you'll want to send me your email so that I can send you the Zoom link. You have to register for this one too. Just send me an email at cindy.prather@conneaut.lib.oh.us. It's just easier to get on our website and click on my name and send me your registration that way. But this one is Zoom only because I'm going to have a lot of members. That's just some of the highlights. I do have a few more things going on. They're not finalized yet, but you'll want to watch Facebook or our website and you'll see what else is going on. One of the things that's not really summer related that I had just started that I want to talk about is a puzzle library. And so what we did was I had some puzzles, jigsaw puzzles donated to the library, and you don't actually have to check them out. You just come in, borrow it, enjoy it, do the puzzle, and return it. Really the only thing I ask for is just let me know if there's any missing pieces, because if there are, I'll either mark it so that somebody knows there's a missing piece, or I'll just save them to use for a craft. There's a lot of crafts now that people are using missing pieces for. So I hope to see you in June, and stay safe out there.
Hi, I'm Amanda.
And I'm Molly.
Have you heard? Summer Reading 2021 is called Tales and Tales at the Conneaut Public Library.
We'll be talking about animals from all over the world, from the farmlands to the jungle. And there's programs for all ages.
Our story time will be meeting online and in person, each week discussing a new brood of animals. School-age children will cover owl pellets and creating beautiful giraffe paintings.
And teens will play Animal Crossing and create cool ocean slime.
Don't forget to sign up for our Summer Reading Challenge log. Complete 20 hours of reading and 10 activities to be entered into winning a grand prize for your age group.
Signing up is easy. Pick up your log starting June 1st, and you'll have until July 2nd to complete your log.
Summer reading programs are listed on our website. Register today.
We can't wait to see you.
See you this summer for Tales and Tales.
Welcome to the Conneaut Public Library. I want to thank all of you applicants for your fine resumes. We were so impressed with the applications this year. And I wish every year we could give out as many scholarships as we are giving out today, but we'll have to try harder next year. So, on behalf of the Friends of the Conneaut Public Library, Sarah, here is your scholarship money.
Thank
and
you.
Would you like to share with us a little bit about what your plans are?
Yeah, so I'll be attending Kent State University on the main campus in the fall, and I'm going to be studying psychology.
Great. Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome, Dominic. We really appreciated your application, and here is your check. And you want to tell us a little bit about what you're planning on doing?
I'm going to Kent State University of Ashtabula to pursue a career in radiology.
Welcome, Ethan Morrison. We're so glad that you applied for a scholarship, and here is your money.
Thank you.
So you want to share with us what your plans are?
I plan on to attend Baldwin Wallace University in the fall, and I plan to study sports medicine to be someone in that field, with working with like high school students and athletes and stuff like that. That's what I plan to do at Baldwin Wallace. And swim as well. I'm swimming at Baldwin Wallace.
Hi, Jenna. Welcome to the Conneaut Public Library. Thank you for your application, and here is your scholarship money. You want to tell us a little bit what you're going to be doing?
I'm attending Kent State University main campus to major in music education.
Welcome, Kendall, to the Conneaut Public Library. I want to thank you very much for your application. Everything was just outstanding. And here's your check. So do you want to share with us what you're planning on doing?
Of course. I will be headed to the University of Akron, where I will be in their honors college, and I will be majoring in biomedical engineering.
Welcome, Jocelyn, to the Conneaut Public Library. I want to thank you for your application. We were most impressed with all of our applications this year. So, Jocelyn, here's your check. And you want to tell us what your plans are?
So I plan on attending Edinburgh University's honors college, and I'm going to double major in animation and biology.
So that wraps up another Library Line. Thank you so much for watching this show, and please come in and see us. It's been a tough, what are we at now? 62 weeks, 63 weeks of COVID. It's been tough. This is hard on everyone. Get out of your house, wrangle that family up, come to the library, meet your friends at the library. We have space for you. We have things for you. We want to see you here at your community library. So we're going to see you next time on Library Line, but I really want to see you in the library. So stop on in.